Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix battery drain on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. So just click and hold power button and restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to click on settings app. Now in settings app, scroll down and click on system and update and click on first option software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and backup and reset and reset phone and click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix battery drain on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.